Welcome to Nathalia's channel! Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Hi guys! It's me, Iya. Here's my new channel. I have Bubbles.
The Bubble Blizzard.
Bubble
The best
Blizzard.
gift for children. So let's open it.
A few moments later.
There we go. Here's the blower. Oh!
The blower. It's the blower.
And here's the we're going to pour it.
The
Container. Let's do. Okay. First, open the liquid container. Number 2. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Whoa. It already has. Let's rub it first.
not like that.
Okay.
No, the other side. Hold me.
Okay. Let's see if it works. And 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa!
Let's try one more time.
Yeah! And 3, 2, 1, go! What? It's here! Wait, Daddy, will you please hold this and blow it and video me? That because it's springing. Thanks for watching.